Hey traders! ICP crypto has climbed nearly 18% over the last 30 days and is now trading around $2.91, with strong 24-hour volume showing fresh interest from the market. So the big question is, are we seeing the beginning of the next bullish move? Or is this just another bull trap? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Pump or trap? Before we jump into the chart analysis, we've already shared our latest ICP price prediction, key support zones, and potential targets over on our Patreon page. You can start with the tester plan for just $10. The link is in the description and comments. All right, now let's get into the analysis. And as always, make sure to do your own research. This is not financial advice.